And it's a joy. It's a privilege. It's a responsibility. It's a stewardship.
Love that. And that's exactly why this podcast exists, is to be the PR spokesperson for the soil. And you've done an amazing job at articulating that. And one of the key words that stood out for me was the forgive. The soil is very forgiving, the way that we have treated it and whatever happens. And in the documentary that, the names just lost my mind, but it is a documentary where David Attenborough visits the site of Chernobyl, and you see all the life that's growing there. Humans can't go there because it's still not safe, but nature is thriving. And it's because the humans left, it destructed that area, and then nature came in and is fixing it. There's fungi that they're discovering that's eating the radioactiveness, and it's just crazy what nature can do. And it is very forgiving, it's very healing, and it will repair. And like you made a point, whether we're here or not in the future, it's a given that nature will exist. And so we are at that crossroad now, whether we play together or we separate. And I think nature will win in that. And so once we know, we have to do, actions speak louder than words. And this is a podcast where people can come and listen, but it's what you do when you step foot out of that tractor, you take the headphones out, you go and, if you already know this, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Cause, I think that is our duty at the moment, is to be that PR agency for soil, because it can't speak for itself. And so here we are speaking for it. So thank you so much for sharing that and becoming the voice of the soil, and for all the information that you've shared during this podcast. If soil lovers and listeners want to get to hang out with you more, what's the best place where they can hang out with you?